Hi guys, Brent here with ECS Tuning, and today I'm excited to share with you our new Stage 2 and Stage 3 performance clutch kit for the B8, A4, and A5 2OT platform. This clutch kit has been tried and tested in-house here at our Wattsworth, Ohio facility in our very own B8 A4 shop car. We've put thousands of miles on the vehicle to provide you with the most refined version of what an upgraded clutch should feel like in this chassis. Our clutch not only feels great, but performs the part as well, with a torque capacity of 400 foot-pounds on our Stage 2 organic friction disc and 450 foot-pounds to the crank on our Stage 3 with ceramic disc. This makes our Stage 2 kit ideal for cars with full bolt-on and a stock turbo, and the Stage 3 ideal for cars pushing a little bit more power with a KO4 or a hybrid turbo setup. Audi's factory design uses a self-adjusting pressure plate which aids in retaining consistent pedal feel throughout the life of the clutch. This is good for daily driving, but any spirited driving situations where you are shifting at high RPM, the clutch pedal can have issues properly engaging. This is a common issue with almost any self-adjusting pressure plate design. Our performance clutch kit eliminates this issue by using a non-adjustable pressure plate. This means no more worrying about your clutch pedal sticking to the floor during high RPM shifts. With either our Stage 2 or our Stage 3, you can drive your B8 at its full potential. This pairs perfectly with our lightweight flywheel. All of this can be found at our website in a complete kit at ECStuning.com.